Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me show you how to remove unwanted followers on X. So, if you want to remove unwanted followers on X, then you have to use your X website, because the option to do that directly within the X mobile application, there is no such option in the application directly, so that's why we're going to use X website. So open your preferred browsing system and you want to find x.com page, and then of course you have to sign in to your X account. And now when you're in, you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen and access your profile. So now tap your followers count, and at the top go to followers section, and now you want to find specific follower that you want to remove, and next to this user you want to tap three-dot button, and let's select remove this follower button, and the last step will be to confirm the action. From this moment, this user will be removed from your follower list, and what's important that they will not be notified about it. They will have to follow you once again if they want to see your public posts. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.